next lesson that we're going to learn is how to read and write decimals through 10,000s. As I mentioned earlier, that to read or write numbers written in decimal notation, we need to know the place value of each digit. Okay, let's read the problem. Every morning, Mr. Lim reads the newspaper. He takes note of the peso-dollar exchange. One morning, he read that the exchange rate of a US dollar is 54.596 Philippine peso. How do we read this number? Okay, so we will use the place value chart to help us read the number. Okay, so read the number to the left of the decimal point. This one. So 54. Then say end for the decimal point. And then read the number to the right of the decimal place. 506. And then mention the last or the place of the last digit. Thousands. Okay, so 54 and 596 thousands. In writing decimal number, just write down what you hear. So, 54 and 596,000 is written as 54.596. How do you write it in words? It is 54 and 569 thousandths. Okay, in reading or writing decimal numbers, read or write like a whole number and mention the decimal place of the last digit. In this example, we're going to read and write each number in the place value chart. Let us read first the whole number part. Okay, so here, whole number part 381. The decimal point is read as n. Okay, followed by the decimal part. So, as I said, read the decimal part like a whole number. So, 009 is read as 9. And then, mention the last decimal place of the last digit, which is thousands. Okay? So, 381 and 9 thousandths. Okay, how do you write that one? 381.009 in figure. And what about in words? You're going to write it as what you hear. Okay, so 381 and 9 thousandths. What about the second number? The second number is 10 and read as a whole number this one, the decimal part. 4,361 and mention the last decimal place of the last digit. Okay, so 10 and 4,361, 10 thousandths. How to write it in figure? 10.4361, and in words, we have 10 and 4,361, 10 thousandths. Okay? It's practice time again. So as I said, you'll be given 30 seconds to answer each item. Okay? Okay, read first the number and write it in words. So you'll be given 15 seconds to answer each item. So number 1, 2.12. Timer starts now. Two point 2.12 read as 2 and 12 hundredths. And in words, it is 2 and 12 hundredths. Okay? What about number 2? 14.109. Read first the number and then write it in words. Timer starts now. Okay, time is up. How do you read the number? 14 and 109 thousandths. And this is how to write it in words. 14 and 109 thousandths. Number 3, 0.2046. Timer starts now. Again, your answer is 2046 ten thousandths. In words, 2046 ten thousandths. Okay, number 4. Timer starts now. Okay, 12 and 13 thousandths. In words, 12 and 13 thousandths. Number 5. Timer starts now. So 9 and 2004, 10 thousandths. In words, 9 and 2004, 10 thousandths. Okay? Let's continue. Write the following as fractions and as decimals. Number 1, 64 and 33 hundredths. Okay, timer starts now. And the answer is 64 and 33 over 100 in fraction, and in decimal 63.33 or 63 and 33 hundredths. Okay, number 2, 57 and 6 tenths. Okay, how do you write it in fraction and as decimal? Timer starts now. Okay, as a fraction, it is 57 and 6 over 10. And in decimals, 57 and 6 tenths. Okay, number 3. Timer starts now. And the answer is 6 and 56 over 1,000 in fraction. And in decimal, it is 6.056 or 6 and 56 thousandths. Number 4. Timer starts now. And the answer is 25 and 1 over 100. That is in fraction. And in decimal, it is 25.01. Okay? And number 5. Timer starts now. And the answer is 205 over 10 thousandths, or 205 or 0.0205. Okay, 205 10 thousandths.